This 7-part series exists so that you never make expensive insurance mistakes in Germany. You are responsible. Germany's legal system will make sure you pay. Start with the most important one. Health insurance. Krankenversicherung. National insurance you can have. In Germany, you are personally and unlimitedly. Here is something nobody tells you about insurance in Germany. Buying insurance is the easy part. Understand your policy before you even need to claim. We tell you exactly. Hey everyone, welcome to VConnectGermany. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button right now and tap the bell icon so you never miss any episode. Okay, let me tell you about Ahmed. Ahmed moved to Germany from Egypt in 2021. Smart guy, good job, earning well. He thought he had everything sorted. Then his neighbor slipped on a wet floor in Ahmed's apartment. Broken hip, surgery, 6 weeks in hospital. The bill? 18,000 euros. Ahmed had no personal liability insurance. He paid every single euro himself. And the painful truth, the policy that would have covered everything, few euros a month. I'm Visakha and I'm a certified financial advisor, and you can always check my credentials. And behind me is not just one person on a camera. We have a strong team working consistently to support our clients. And honestly, that support matters the most when something actually goes wrong. This 7-part series exists so that you never make expensive insurance mistakes in Germany. Let's get started. Now, why does insurance matter so much in Germany specifically? Germany has one of the most thorough legal systems in the world. But it is also incredibly precise about liability. If something goes wrong and you are responsible, Germany's legal system will make sure you pay. There is no upper limit, there is no mercy for ignorance. This is why insurance here is not about fear. It's about financial intelligence. Most policies are surprisingly affordable. The problem is most expats don't know which one they need or what to do when something actually goes wrong. That is what this series is here for. And before we dive in, if you haven't watched our Schufa score video yet, go watch it right after this episode. Your Schufa score directly affects the financial products and insurance premiums available to you. The link is in the below description. Here is what we cover in the 7-episode series. Episode 1. Health insurance, liability and glass insurance. Episode 2. Dental insurance and pre-existing conditions. Episode 3. House rat insurance, theft and full liability details. Episode 4. Car insurance, all 3 levels. Episode 5. Legal insurance, all 5 types. Episode 6. Travel insurance, including Reisecare. Episode 7. Life insurance and investment insurance. Subscribe now so you receive every episode automatically. Let's start with the most important one. Health insurance. Krankenversicherung. In Germany, health insurance is mandatory for everyone, employed, self-employed, student, retiree, no exceptions. There are 2 types. The first one is public health insurance. Gesetzliche Krankenversicherung. This costs roughly 14 to 17% of your gross salary, shared equally with your employer. It covers doctor visits, hospital stays, prescriptions, and maternity care. If your spouse or children don't earn income, they are included for free. Pre-existing conditions, fully covered. Gesetzliche Krankenversicherung cannot refuse you or charge you more because of your health history. And waiting period? None. Coverage begins immediately. The second option is private health insurance, Privatkrankenversicherung. This is available if you earn above 73,000 euros per year or if you are self-employed. Benefits include faster appointments, private hospital rooms, and access to senior specialists. But pre-existing conditions can be excluded. or charged at a higher premium, and your family members are not automatically included. Each person needs their own separate policy. Which is right for you? It depends on your income, age, health history, and family situation. This is exactly the kind of personalized advice that VConnectGermany provides, completely free. Click the link in the description to book your consultation. Now, personal liability insurance. Privathaftpflichtversicherung. Not legally required, but 9 out of 10 German financial experts call this the single most important optional insurance you can have. In Germany, you are personally and unlimitedly liable for any accidental damage you cause to others. No upper cap, no exemptions. What does it cover? Injuries you accidentally cause to other people, damage to someone else's property, damage caused by your own children or pets, cycling accidents where you injure someone, water damage, your washing machine leaks into the apartment below, any key loss if you lose your building key and whole building locks need replacing, also your work keys cost. It costs approximately say 5 to 10 euros in a month. Waiting period? None. Active? Immediately. Remember Ahmed? His 18,000 euros nightmare? Few euros a month would have covered every single cent. Now, glass insurance. This is one that almost nobody talks about, but it is surprisingly relevant in everyday life in Germany. Glass insurance covers broken glass in your home. The things that standard Hausrat insurance does not cover automatically. What does it cover? Broken windows, including double glassed panels, glass ceramic cooktops, one of the most common and expensive home claims, shower screens and bath panels, built-in mirrors, interior glass doors, glass furniture tops. So, real costs without this insurance. A double glazed window, 300 to 800 euros, a ceramic cooktop, 200 to 500 euros, a shower screen, 400 to 900 euros. So these are everyday accidents, yet standard Hausrat excludes them. Cost, say approximately 5 to 10 euros a month, no waiting period. We cover Hausrat in full detail in episode 3 and link is in the description. Now, here is something nobody tells you about insurance in Germany. Buying insurance is the easy part. Making a successful claim, that is where most people struggle. When something goes wrong, a medical issue, an accident, a broken window, you're dealing with stress, shock, and a system that operates entirely in German. This is exactly where the real value of VConnectGermany begins, because support is what matters the most. You're not dealing with one advisor and then getting left alone. I am a certified financial advisor and you can verify my credentials. But even more importantly, behind every client is a dedicated support structure. We have a bigger team who are all there all the time to support you. Before the policy, during the policy, and especially at claim time. We help you understand your policy before you even need to claim. We tell you exactly what to do in the first 24 hours after an incident. We compile all your documentation, photos, policy reports, invoices, forms, etc. We file the claim on your behalf, correctly formatted, right deadline. We follow up with the insurer when claims are delayed. We appeal rejected claims. Many are overturned with right approach, and we communicate in your language always. We also offer bundle packages at special discounted prices. Instead of buying each policy separately, we bundle everything together at a combined rate that saves up money. Everything fully bundled, fully protected. Click the link in the description to get your free personalized package code today. Before I go, in episode 2, where we will talk about dental insurance. Germany's public health insurance covers only basic dental treatment. A crown, an implant, a root canal, you could be facing 500 to 3,000 euros out of your own pocket. And the most shocking rule, most dental insurance has a waiting period and will not cover pre-existing dental problems. In episode 2, I'll share the story of women who lost 2,200 euros in one single dentist appointment. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with anyone living in Germany and comment your questions below. I read every one of them personally. Book your free consultation today and link is in the below description. I'm Visakha. Tschüss.